Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn the second lesson, Good Food Habits. What is called balanced diet? The diet which contains cereals, pulses, milk, fruits and vegetables. Why do we need this balanced diet? Yes, it helps us to grow. It gives us energy to work and play. It helps us to protect us from diseases. Children, look at this picture. If you are eating a balanced diet, it will keep us fit and healthy. If you are eating unbalanced diet means it will make us overweight. Children, the next important thing is water. Why do we need water? It helps us to digest the food. Children, look at the picture here. The right position to drink water is we have to sit and drink water. Let's see the do's and don'ts. Do's means the rules are the things we must do. Don'ts means rules are the things we must not do. Let's see one by one. We should eat food at regular intervals. We have to eat 3 meals a day. During morning, we have to eat a breakfast. During afternoon, we have to eat a lunch. At night, we have to eat a dinner. Don'ts. We should not eat in between meals. We should not eat too little food. If you are eating too little food means it will make you very weak. Next, we should not eat too junk foods. If you are eating too junk foods means it will make you very fat. Next, see what are the do's and don'ts in the clean food. We should wash fruits and vegetables with clean water before cooking or eating them. Next one, we should not eat the stale foods. Stale foods mean spoiled foods. Next, do's. We should cover all the food with a lid or a net. What is the don'ts? We should not eat the uncovered foods. Next, we should not buy food from roadside vendors because it has germs, dust and dirt. If you are eating these type of foods, it will make us sick. Children, let's see what is refrigerator. We have seen in this in our home, right? Yes, it is used to store the food. The inside of the refrigerator is very cool. So the germs can't grow inside this refrigerator. Children, let's see what are the do's and don'ts at the dining table. Do's. We must eat food at a clean place and in a clean plates. Next, we must wash our hands before and after having our meals. Third one, we must chew our food well and eat slowly. Fourth one, we must brush our teeth or rinse after every meal because food may stuck inside our teeth. It may cause toothache. Okay children, let's see what are the don'ts. We should not talk or laugh while eating. Next one is we should not waste the food. Next one, we should not overeat the food. Okay children, we have seen what is balanced diet and what are the do's and don'ts for the good food habits. Let's see some of the questions. Diet having cereals, pulses, milk, fruits and vegetables are dash foods. A. Unhealthy. B. Balanced. C. Unbalanced. Second question. We have breakfast in the dash. A. Morning. B. Afternoon. C. Night. Third question. Roadside vendor foods can make us dash. A. Healthy. B. Sick. C. Fresh. Fourth question. The inside of a refrigerator is dash. A. Hot. B. Cold. C. Warm. Fifth question. Eating junk foods makes us dash. A. Fat. B. Thin. C. Healthy. Sixth question. We should eat dash foods. A. Uncovered. B. Covered. C. Unhealthy. Okay children, hope you all finished these questions. Shall we check the answers? Okay. First one, diet having cereals, pulses, milk, fruits and vegetables are dash foods. Yes, answer is balanced. Second question, we have breakfast in the dash. The answer is morning. Third one, roadside vendor foods can make us. The answer is sick. Fourth one, the inside of a refrigerator is dash. Answer is cold. Fifth one, eating junk foods makes us dash. The answer is fat. Sixth one, we should eat dash foods. The answer is covered. Okay children, we'll see in the next session. Thank you.